Hey guys, let's have a look at what you get with this 4K Ultra HD camcorder. Right out of the box. Everything coming packaged really neatly. I like that. Got our instructions right up top. Let's not lose those. Nice little carrying case. Feels like the camera's right in there. Let's get a look at that first. Let's get right into it. There it is. So we got our ports right here for a mic, a USB. I'm just gonna open that up. Looks like a battery pack here. Comes with the battery right in there. Look at that. Let's see if we have life. No, we will have to throw this on a charger. Some of them come with a charge, some don't, so it all depends. It's a nice thick film on there. It's always a good thing. I just want to see if the battery was in wrong. It's placed in there upside down as well, but we have life. We got a battery. It looks like 2/3 of a charge, which is not bad. That means it was probably shipped out fully charged. Very nice. We have life. Always a good thing. We got our different modes, our zoom in, zoom out. Okay, shut that down for a bit. Let's see what else we have here. We have our lens cover, the remote, there's the port for charging 2 batteries, and there's a spare battery right here. There's the charger that we'll need for that. I said it comes with 2 batteries, so you always have a backup, never have to run fully out. There's our mic, get that going, and of course our stabilizer bar. Keep that camera stable. Y'all have instructions on how to use each piece. Microphone instructions, stabilizer bar, but we are going to get this together and try it out. Thanks for having a look, guys.